Hello everyone, so this is Jaya. A very welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm glad to share with you a very interesting or fascinating video, that is how can we create or make our favorite emojis using Python. Isn't it interesting, guys? So what is the today's agenda? Like, how can we create? How can we make emoji using Python, as you have already seen in the thumbnail. Okay, so the most beautiful part of today's video is it will take you hardly 20 seconds to code that program through which you can access your favorite emoji. So without further delays, let me switch to the Jupyter notebook. So here I have already opened my Jupyter notebook. What you have to do is, for creating or for making any emoji, you have to install the Python module for emojis. For example, we have used pip command, pip install emoji. For example, I have already installed or I have already downloaded this module. So maybe it will. Let's see how it is. This star is representing here like this command is on the process. It is taking time, maybe 10 to 20 seconds or 10 to 15 seconds. Let me first check. Now we will code the program. So here the requirements all satisfied. So no worries about that. So let me run the program, which for import emoji. Now print emoji function. Emoji function is what is taking the emojis from the module. Okay, emoji dot emojis. Now inside this function you have to create which type of face you want. Now, like I want a grimming face. I'll show you what type of grimming face it is. With big eyes, like I want big eyes. Okay. Is it now done? Okay, so this is all about. Now let me run this program first. Okay, maybe some error is coming up. Grimming, right here, not is grinning, it's grinning. Okay, now let me run this program. Yeah, it's not grimming, it's grinning. So you have to maintain the K, because Python is a case sensitive language, and then you have to understand the spellings problem. Okay, like which I have done. For example, if you want to do the same, now what you have to do is just copy this. Now paste it here. Now what type of face do you want? I want upside face, like a smiley in the opposite direction. Okay, so what you have to do is upside. You have to name that, you have to know the name of that emoji, then only you can do this. Okay, down, just a second, down face. Now I'll show you what type of this face will come up. Okay, let me run this program. Yeah, it is coming here. Now let me again copy this. You all have to change the name of the. Okay, now I want wrinkled face or zipper mouth face. Okay, the zip on the mouth. So what you have to do is, like I have to write zipper down, zipper mouth, yeah, zipper mouth face. So this is all about through which you all can make this emoji. As you can see, as I have enlarged this screen, so in the grinning face I have the grin face. Now in the upside face it comes the upside emoji, and the zipper mouth face it comes to the zipper mouth face. So here is all about. Now thank you so much for watching this video. It will take hardly 10 or maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then in that minute you will utilize this emojis using Python. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will be coming with very interesting more videos in this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
I can't believe I did this! I can't believe I did this. I can't